The Ural truck loaded with wood is facing a muddy road ahead. As a truck with quite good off-road capabilities, the Ural truck easily passed that road thanks to the tree branches lining the road.
Она вот здесь зацепилась.
A relatively risky job when the driver wants to swim across the river with his tractor truck. The water was so deep that he had to back away. With an off-road truck like ZIL, Camus or Ural, puddles like this are not a big obstacle on their way. Kraz is a heavy-duty off-road truck model and has always been considered a legend among off-road trucks with top off-road capabilities. The excavator got stuck in the mud. It used its bucket as a grip point and anti-subsidence logs to climb up. The excavator operator was very skillful. The excavator quickly hung itself on the shore.
Крути давай еще. Крути еще. Подними ковш чуть-чуть.
The most muddy and uncomfortable roads in the world leave cars with almost no way out. Both on dry land or in muddy ditches, we all see images of trucks struggling to move. This is probably a towing competition between the Kraz truck and a relatively large tractor. The Kraz stood still while the tractor could not resist the force of the winch cable from the Kraz and was pulled backwards. The mount-pound armored multi-purpose tracked technical support vehicle serves as a navigator for the excavators and bulldozers behind. Because of its high mobility on all terrains including all swamps, snow and deserts, mount-pound is quite reliable as a pioneer on all roads. A Ural truck sank into the mud on the side of the road. The rescue team arrived and was accompanied by a military crane. When the crane lifted the Ural, everyone held their breath because they were worried that the Ural was too heavy and would cause the crane to overturn. And luckily, that didn't happen. The crane was powerful enough to lift the Ural and bring it to a safe area. Due to some incident, the Camas veered off the road and crashed into a tree on the side of the road and got stuck. They called in a tow truck to pull the Camas off the curb and tried to straighten its wheels into the lane. They didn't see the car being pulled further into the snow pile. Perhaps a cable pulled across the car's body would be better than pulling it back like that. If you don't have good driving skills, instead of sitting in the warm cabin, you will end up crawling under the cold car. This is a CHZ PTT 330 bulldozer tractor 25-ton type with the engine arranged in a traditional style at the front. CHZ PTT 330 will climb onto this semi-trailer to be transported to its new work area. With top bulldozer control skills, the CHZ PTT 330 operator climbed the ladder and firmly positioned himself on the lift table of the tractor.